Are you helping me? Huh? Yeah? Get it. No, you're not done. There's more in there. Hey, there's more in there. Thanks. Is there any more? There is. Oh, thank you, boy. Is there any more in there? Oh, that's peanut butter. Where does the peanut butter go? It goes in there? Okay, do you need some help? Can you reach way up there on the top shelf? Huh? Okay, we'll put it up here. How about that? Thanks. What else is over there? What is that? You go find something else that you know where it goes? What about Sissy's Pop-Tarts? Oh, you're going to throw that in the trash for me? Oh. Thanks, buddy. Gosh, you're being such a big helper. You all done?
Yeah.
No. There's more? Oh, what's in there? That's fruit. Where does the fruit go? Where does Sissy's fruit go? Oh, up there? Up? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, you're a big boy, huh? Caden, are you Mama's big boy? What else is in there? Oh, no, that goes in the fridge. That's Caden, that's Jello. That goes in the fridge. It goes in here. It goes in here. One shoe on, one shoe off. Oh, throw it away for me. Thanks, buddy. You're such a big helper.